Hello. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to receive updates when we upload new videos. The current generation Hyundai Sonata showed off its new skin last year, first in South Korea and then for Americans at the New York Auto Show. With swooping lines and a bold grille, it's certainly a looker, and during the North American debut, Hyundai confirmed an N Line model would follow. That day is now here, mostly anyway. We'll explain in a bit, but for now, behold the 2021 Sonata North Line. If you're struggling to spot the differences, you're not alone. The Sonata's shape already has a sporty flair, but the N Line does jazz it up slightly with a new front fascia that gets larger corner intakes and 3 rectangular vents beneath its N-specific grille. Moving along the side, the N Line gets side skirts for a lower, leaner profile. Fresh 19-inch wheels fill the arches, and a lower rear fascia with dual exhaust outlets and a subtle diffuser fill out the back. The Sonata's existing spoiler bridging the taillights is darkened to help the N Line stand out from the pack. Moving inside, the N Line gains additional treatment. Dark chrome trim and red contrast stitching are found throughout the greenhouse, with the latter being prominent on the steering wheel and sport seats. The seatbacks wear an embossed N, and naturally, there's N Line badging on the exterior, too. The 2021 Sonata N Line will attract more customers to both the rock-solid Sonata lineup and our increasingly popular N Line sub-brand, said Sang-Yup Lee, head of Hyundai's Global Design Center. Sonata N Line will appeal to customers who desire sporty styling in a sedan package. What about the performance side of the Sonata N Line? Curiously, that's still unconfirmed as this debut focuses purely on the aesthetic changes for the sports sedan. At the Sonata's New York Auto Show debut last year, Hyundai already confirmed it would get a tuned-up version of the turbocharged 2.5-liter engine making over 275 horsepower. We've also heard reports that power could reach 290 horsepower, but the exact figure, and how it will be doled out, are still questions to be answered. Based on Hyundai's sensuous sportiness, design identity, Sonata N Line's exterior styling looks bold and athletic. Sonata's N Line design elements are evident throughout, starting with the signature cascading grille, bold front fascia, 3 air intakes and N Line badging. Sonata N Line's side skirts and 19-inch alloy wheels provide an aggressive stance that suggests that fun is just around the corner, any corner. The dynamic side styling carries over to the taut rear end where a sleek black lower bumper, dual twin exhausts and N Line rear diffuser amplify the sports sedan's ready and willing attitude. The interior design reinforces the dynamic feeling of the exterior with a high-tech flair that makes the inside of Sonata N Line every bit as dashing as the exterior. Dark chrome trim, signature N Line red stitching on the steering wheel and sport seats complete the performance-inspired interior and exterior design.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Subscribe to Auto TV.